Hello, nice to see you again. My name is Lynn Plourde and I write children's books, but I'm visiting with you today for another edition of Virtual Grandparents, ideas that you can do with your grandkids as you visit with them virtually. I probably should have an idea ready. Just me sitting here, I'm not sure. Wait, you could do a puppet show. Have puppets at your house, have puppets at your grandkids' house, and you guys could put on a puppet show together. I will include a link in the information with this video to my friend Catherine Falwell. She writes and illustrates children's books too. She has done a wonderful video on how you could make homemade puppets to be able to put on a puppet show. So I hope you will check that out. Ideas if you want to do a puppet show. These are two puppets that my grandson loves, and when he comes to our house, he just loves having them, the shark and the dinosaur talk. But think about the voices you could use, because that's a fun thing to do with a puppet show. So my dinosaur voice might be, "Wow, I am a dinosaur. I came back from prehistoric ages. Who are you?" "Well, I am Shark, and I've been around for many, many years too, so don't think you're such a big deal." "Well, I have a lot of teeth. I have a lot of teeth too." You get the idea. Be a little silly. Use different voices. Also think of a situation. What would your puppet show be about? So I have gotten a set of Melissa and Doug's farm puppets. I will keep a couple at my house and I will send a couple to my grandson. And so we can put on a farm puppet show together. And they're very cute. And if you think of what it's going to be about, what's your situation, what we could do is pretend it is a birthday on the farm. So Pig says, "Cow, is it your birthday?" "Oh, it's my birthday. I hope it's going to be a really moving birthday." "Oink, oink, I'm sure we can make you a great birthday." And then my grandson, who would be over there with the horse puppet and with the sheep puppet, or whichever ones I send to him, we could all sing happy birthday together. "Happy birthday to Cow. Happy birthday to Cow. Oh, let's blow out the candles together." You get the idea. What's fun with puppets is they can come in from different directions. If you're doing a screen on a computer or a laptop or even with a phone. So that would be fun to do. You don't have to write out a whole script because playing with puppets really is like pretend play that we did when we were kids many ages ago and that kids today like to do. So just come up with a story as you go along. It'll be spontaneous, it'll be fun with different voices, different situations to act out. And if you mix up the puppets, so maybe you can have the dinosaur with the piggy. Dinosaur, Piggy, may I come to the farm? "Oink, I'm not sure dinosaurs should be on our farm." "Well, I want to come." You get the idea. Just be silly, just have fun. Make sure that your grandkids can have puppets. And I suggest you check out Catherine Falwell's idea because you don't even have to purchase puppets. You could make them. She has ideas for hand puppets, stick puppets, lots of fun. Have fun with your puppet shows.